My name is Johan Enslen. I'm the IEEE Power Electronics Society President for these couple of years. And we are here at a great conference, the IEEE ECCE Asia, a conference 2025. It's Bengaluru, and it is in the area here where we call the Hilton Embassy Business Park. A great venue. Venue is fantastic. There is food is great, by the way, and the technical program is amazing. We had our tutorial sessions yesterday. There were a lot of great tutorials being presented by experts around the world. This morning we had our opening of a session. Last night we had the Women in Engineering. So the event goes pretty well. We had fantastic support from the local organizing committee. Dr. Basu and his team is helping having a smooth ride. So thanks a lot to everybody. I hope you have a good conference, and we'll have the next ECCE Asia in 2026 we will have in Japan. So I hope to see all of you there. Thank you.